जम्मू कश्मीर के डीजीपी दिलबाग सिंह ने कहा कि यूटी दहशत गर्दी से पाक खित्ते बनने की जानिब बढ़ रहा है और पुलिस अब मंशियात के चैलेंज का मुकाबला करेगी। डीजीपी ने मजीद कहा कि जम्मू कश्मीर में दहशत गर्दी कम हो रही है और दहशत गर्दों की तादाद में भी कमी आ रही है। डीजीपी डिस्ट्रिक्ट पुलिस लाइन सोपोर में एक तकरीब के मौके पर सहाफियों से बातचीत कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि पुलिस अब मंशियात की लानत का मुकाबला करेगी और जम्मू कश्मीर से मंशियात के इस्तेमाल और मंशियात के स्मगलरों के खात्मे को यकीनी बनाएगी। बारामूला और में सिख बरादरी के अफराद के कत्ल से मुतालिक पूछे गए सवाल पर डीजीपी ने कहा कि पुलिस ने दोनों वाक़ात का नोटिस ले लिया और एफआईआर दर्ज कर ली गई और तहकीकात जारी है। बारामूला में हुई मौत का मामला क्राइम ब्रांच को सौंप दिया गया है।
I said we are now proud of the fact that Jammu and Kashmir in its entirety is by and large moving towards terror-free region, and the next challenge for all of us, for the police and other stakeholders, would be to, with equal vigor, with equal strength, launch a drive against the terror that is just being J&K to terror-free, drug-free J&K. We have to move in that direction jointly and strongly.
Sir, what about
generalize it? Incidents do take place. One incident took place wherein police took cognizance very, very quickly without wasting of time. Confidence, we've been with them all through. Our sympathies are with them. That incident took place, an FIR was registered, demand was there, that case has been transferred to the crime branch now. Unfortunately, another incident has taken place in Taral that appears to be a bit dicey. I don't know what could be the possible reasons for the death of Sardar Karan Singh, but cognizance has been taken by police. We are proceeding with our investigation, and I'm sure we'll be able to find the factual position as to what happened, what could be the possible cause of death. But there's no reason to generalize this kind of incidents. It can happen anywhere, anytime. Down drastically, the numbers of terrorists who are active now is all-time low, and our effort is to take care of the remnant militancy wherever and whatever form it's available, it's present now. Numbers are, as I said, drastically down, and hopefully we'll be able to get rid of them fully.
Sir, ahead of
all required preparations in terms of security deployments and all would be made. As of now, I can't say as to what would be the schedule and all. That matter is under consideration with the authorities concerned. But whatever security requirements are there, that will be fulfilled.
पाकिस्तान में अकलियत महफूज नहीं। सिंध पाकिस्तान में एक गुर्दे की मरीज को निजी अस्पताल के मुस्लिम डॉक्टर